Hello and welcome to this edition of Trojan Talk. I'm Paige. Joining us today is Dr. Vinnakota with the Department of Chemistry and Physics. Raj, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for inviting.
Of course. Now, we are talking about a kind of new but also not program here at Troy called the Electronics Engineering Technology Program.
Yes.
That's kind of complicated sounding, so can you walk me through what this is?
Sure. So for me to walk you through, we can consider an example like how a smartphone device works, how a smart device like Alexa should work, right? So it is being powered by electronic circuits, which considers the neurons, and it is powered by microcontrollers, which is considered by the brains behind how this smart device works. So what we teach in this electronics engineering technology program is how to even design this smart device. So predominantly, like, the students have been walked through of this basic electronic circuit theories, and then we're going to walk through them to how to construct a circuit, how to debug a circuit, how to troubleshoot a circuit. Once they're done learning that, we're going to, third semester or something, we're going to talk through like how does an electronic device works, and then how to integrate the electronic circuit with an electronic device, you see. So electronic device is something like that can control the flow of current. For example, like you have a water fountain, right? If you tune the water fountain, you can actually control the pressure of water that is coming out.
Right.
Yeah, and then slowly we're going to teach them of the computer language. When I mean the language is like how this computer communicates internally. So this is done by 1s and 0 language. It's only 2 alphabets, and so that basically considered as a digital logic circuit designing, which is like somewhat an upgraded version of an electronic circuit. So right now we hear about the semiconductors and integrated chips that booming up, right?
Yeah.
So all these are digital logic circuits that go into that.
Everything is electronic now. We are in the digital age. So students who get this, they are pretty confident, I would think, that they can find a career.
Yes, exactly. So, I mean, basically, the students that are interested to join an electronics engineering technology program, 90% of the time they know what they're doing here. That's because, they might be circuit enthusiasts or coding enthusiasts, because in the final year of electronics engineering technology program, what we do is like we're going to teach them of microcontrollers and Raspberry Pis. I know that sounds something weird, but these are the brains behind the robotics, how this automation industry is working. So most of the students I get is like they try to rip off these RC cars and try to see what is there inside a RC car, how this RC car is being even moving forward and backward.
Well, Raj, it sounds like an incredible program, and it comes at a time. It couldn't come at a better time because of this digital age we find ourselves in. Thank you so much for joining us and kind of giving us a sneak peek into the program.
Sure, no problem.
And thank you for joining us on this edition of Trojan Talk.